All right, hey, you want mountain views, peace, some trails, and then living just right outside of the city? Well, then Rockrimmon might be the spot for you. I'm Clint Jordan, part of the 709 Veterans Home Team, and today we're out here in Rockrimmon, man, exploring what Rockrimmon, the community, has to offer. If you're military, if you like outdoor stuff, if you like trails and hiking, and again, the peace of being kind of outside of everything, and Rockrimmon just might be the spot for you, man. And right here, man, we're standing in the middle of Ute Park, so just a beautiful, serene, mountainous place. So let's go take a walk, man, and see what Ute Park has to offer. So now we're deep into the Ute Valley Park. There's just miles and miles of trails. If you're looking on a map, we're on the southwest side of Colorado Springs, kind of heading up north. Again, most of the times when we talk about Colorado, we're like talking about living in the mountains or living in the postcard or looking at the postcard. A lot of Rockrimmon is both. We're literally in it and looking at it. And then if you can see behind us, you can start seeing kind of the houses, the layouts of them. So a lot of these are built back in the 1950s. So you're not going to find a lot of cookie cutter neighborhoods out this way as you get a little bit closer to the freeway. The cool thing about Rockrimmon too is they started building condos and townhomes, and there's some apartment complexes closer to the freeway. So the affordability up here is a bit different than say some of the other neighborhoods, because you can get a condo for $200,000, or you can get some of these houses for $400,000 or $500,000. And of course, there's your $1 million homes inside of here. But again, Rockrimmon is super cool because location-wise, again, we're close to the Air Force Academy, maybe 10 minutes. Probably we're getting about 20 minutes away from Fort Carson and Peterson. But again, we're very central to all of Colorado Springs. So if being close to the bases, close to the city, but like outside of all of it is your jam, then Rockrimmon. And then we were just at Garden of the Gods earlier today, another good example of that. That'll get you right outside the city, but very close to all of our amenities. And again, houses, it's beautiful because it ranges from condos and apartments right off of the freeway, which is literally 5 minutes from here, that sit around that $200,000 price point and up. And then the houses that are just scattered through the communities, all older, all mature trees, windy roads. And again, you feel like you're out in the mountains and you're literally 5 minutes from the city. So to all my military clients and clients coming into the Springs, man, if epic views are something you're looking for, if being just outside of the city is something you're looking for, but close to everything, again, close to all the bases, close to the city center, then Rockrimmon might just be your area. Again, I'm here to help answer any questions. So if you got any questions on anything military, anything veteran related, anything about our city, I'm Clint Jordan. I'm here to help answer any of those questions for you. Make sure you like and subscribe. And as always, guys, this is me showing you about us. Until next time, Colorado Springs.